my name is Falgolski and this is Lowcoder. Our aim is to provide you the very best, most modern and versatile application development platform that exists. And so we develop a lot of features. Every some weeks we release and magic functions appearing everywhere. Some of them we really need to describe, and therefore here's our series of tutorial videos so you can access all the value that is already possible and find also the magic hidden functions that are already offered inside of our platform. And now let's start. It is quite frequent that you need to generate an ID that is truly unique. For that, we have an included library, UUID. And it is very easy to actually use it. You can just make use of handlebar expression everywhere where it is possible. And then you just write UUID dot and then the version number that you would like to express as a function. We have at the moment support of version 4.1 till version 5. You can look at here. It's 4.1, 3, 4, 5. This means that this refers to the different versions of UUID that you can have. Some are timely ordered, some are completely unique randomized strings. And it's really up to your application and need to select one of these versions. So let's have the very old one. What you see, you need to express it as a function, then it works directly. Also, you can make use to check from the UUID that you eventually got out of the data which version it is. It will reply by this. And you can also validate if an UUID that you got is actually valid as a format by itself. We hope you enjoyed these tutorials. And if you like it, please like it. Share it with your colleagues, with partners and other people that may be interested to create apps really fast.